This is the next step in making a digital denture. So I've sent all that information that we showed in the previous slides off to my laboratory, and I work with a guy named Steve Balshi at CM Prosthetics. He digitizes all that information, and then he comes up with a plan of how to make the denture teeth. And this is pretty cool. You can move the denture from this direction, you can flip it around that way, you can look at it from the front, you can look at it from behind. This is what it looks from behind. You look at it from the top, and then the bottom. And then the other cool thing is I can flip this around and tell Steve, I can say, hey Steve, can you move those front teeth out? Or can you move those back teeth back? And we're gonna actually move these just a little bit forward so it helps our patient with his eating a little bit better. But this is kind of what the denture will look like, and then after I've approved everything, I will send that to my lab and they will mill the denture for us.